This video will demonstrate programming on the McCafe MCR single-serve cartridge brewer. To adjust large brew, press and hold the large button for 5 seconds while the brew chamber is open. During the time, the red, green LED will flash rapidly. After 5 seconds, the LED will turn off. The large batch switch will increase the volume and the small batch switch will decrease the volume. If no switches are depressed for 10 seconds, the setup mode is exited. To adjust small brew, press and hold the small button for 5 seconds while the brew chamber is open. During the time, the red, green LED will flash rapidly. After 5 seconds, the LED will turn off. The large batch switch will increase the volume and the small batch switch will decrease the volume. If no switches are depressed for 10 seconds, the setup mode is exited. Turn off the main power switch. Press and hold both large and small batch switches and turn on power switch. Continue pressing both switches for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the red and green LED will flash rapidly for 5 seconds. The operator must release and press both the large and small batch switches within 5 seconds. The red and green LED will turn off for approximately 5 seconds and then turn on and off 5 times, indicating success. Changing the temperature set point between high altitude, 190 degrees Fahrenheit, and low altitude, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Default equals 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the large brew switch 5 times, within 5 seconds, with the brew chamber open. This will cause the temperature to toggle modes. If the new temperature is 190 degrees Fahrenheit, the red LED will flash 5 times. If the new temperature is 200 degrees, the red LED will flash 10 times. Enabling or disabling the energy save mode. Energy save enabled. After 6 hours of inactivity, temperature drops to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. After 26 hours, tank heater turns off. Energy save disabled. Tank temperature remains at 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Fahrenheit if set to high altitude. Press the small brew switch 5 times, within 5 seconds, with the brew chamber open. This will cause the energy save to toggle modes. If the new mode is energy save enabled, the green LED will flash 5 times. If the new mode is energy save disabled, the green LED will flash 10 times.